Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail emails not arriving. If Gmail emails aren't arriving, the problem could be caused by spam filters, storage limits, forwarding settings, or issues with the sender's email. Here are the most effective fixes to try. So, first is to check the spam folder. So, open Gmail, then click the three line in the top left corner. Then from here, look for spam. So, select spam in the left sidebar. So, from here, if the missing email is in here, you can open it. So let's say, for example, this one. So open that email, then click the three dots in the top right corner, then click the red one that says report not spam. So click that. So conversation unmarked as spam and move to inbox. So future messages from that sender will be sent to your inbox and not on spam. Next is to search for the email. So use Gmail search bar at the top. So click on that. Then search by the sender's name, email address, or keywords from the message. Next is to check your storage. So if your Google account storage is full, Gmail may stop receiving new emails. So delete unnecessary files or purchase additional storage if needed. If you want to delete files, you can open the email, then click the delete icon at the top right. You can also select all by long pressing it, then click select all at the top left. So click the square box right there and it will select all, then click delete icon in the top right. And those emails will be deleted. Next is to disable browser extensions. If you're using Gmail on the web, some extensions can interfere with Gmail. So try opening Gmail in an incognito window or another browser. Next is to update the Gmail app. So go to Play Store or App Store, then search for Gmail. So make sure you install the latest version of the Gmail app. You can also restart your phone and try syncing again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.